Close your eyes for a second and picture the impossible. You're not driving, you're not flying, you're floating across endless American highways in a blowing double-decker palace on wheels. No wheel in your hands, no exhaust in the air, just pure electric silence and floor-to-ceiling views of sunsets painting the sky. This is Volvo's wildest dream brought to life. A rolling luxury lounge where you sleep, work, dream, or simply exist while the miles vanish. Safety carved into every curve, comfort in every detail. The future isn't coming, it's already here, and it's massive. Let's dive deep into what this beast really means for tomorrow's roads. Imagine the moment you step inside and the world outside starts moving without you lifting a finger. The doors glide shut with a whisper, the lights dim to a soft, welcoming glow, and suddenly you're not just a passenger, you're living in motion. This isn't any ordinary ride. This is Volvo's vision of tomorrow, a towering, double-decker autonomous marvel that redefines what a journey can be. Picture yourself waking gently as the first rays of sun hit the curved glass walls, the hum of electric power so quiet it's almost meditative. You're cruising at highway speed across the vast stretches of the United States, from the rolling plains of the Midwest to the dramatic coasts of California. But instead of gripping the wheel through fatigue, you're stretching out on a plush recliner, coffee in hand, watching the landscape unfold like a private cinema screen. This concept didn't appear out of nowhere. Volvo has spent decades earning trust as the unbreakable shield of safety, the company that gave the world the three-point seatbelt and never stopped pushing boundaries. They dreamed of a time when cars wouldn't just move people, but would let them truly live during the trip. Early hints came with pods and single-level autonomous ideas, electric platforms that turn travel into rest or work. But this pushes it further, scaling up to a full double-decker scale, blending the grandeur of a luxury coach with the intelligence of full autonomy. It's a vehicle that looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi film, yet carries the practical DNA of Volvo's real-world engineering. The exterior commands respect immediately. Sleek metallic flows that cut through wind like a blade. Massive illuminated wheel rings that pulse with life, signaling awareness to everything around. No traditional front grille, just intelligent surfaces packed with sensors that see in every direction, anticipating dangers long before any human could. Those enormous wheels, glowing softly, provide stability and that futuristic aura, making it impossible to ignore on any road. As you enter the lower level, the space opens up in ways that feel almost magical. Ambient lighting shifts with the time of day, creating calm blues for morning starts and warm tones as evening falls. The floor feels solid yet forgiving underfoot, perhaps with subtle heating to chase away any chill. Modular seating invites you to configure it your way, forward-facing for the view, circled for conversation, or flattened for a quick stretch or nap. Tables emerge smoothly when needed, ideal for spreading out a laptop or enjoying a meal prepared in the compact yet sophisticated gallery nearby. An espresso machine hums quietly, a fridge ready with pre-ordered favorites, everything designed so you never have to break your flow. Hidden storage keeps clutter away, letting the space breathe and feel expansive even when fully occupied. The true escape awaits upstairs. Ascend via a gentle staircase bathed in soft light, and the upper deck reveals itself as a true sanctuary. Panoramic glass surrounds you on nearly every side, offering unbroken views that make the highway feel like an extension of the sky.
Seats here recline deeply, some transforming into flat beds for real rest during long stretches. Overhead lighting can mimic natural daylight or shift to starry nights if you crave a different mood. The audio envelops you completely, crystal clear and isolated from any road noise, turning the space into your personal concert hall or quiet retreat. Privacy controls let you tint the glass instantly or overlay digital elements, stream a movie across the windows, join a virtual call without distraction, or simply lose yourself in the passing world. Powering all of this is an advanced electric heart buried low for perfect balance, delivering silent, vibration-free propulsion and ranges that could easily cover hundreds of miles on a single charge. Fast charging networks are growing across America, making long trips feasible without endless stops. Full autonomy means no controls at all. The system handles everything with level 5 confidence, drawing on vast safety knowledge to navigate traffic, weather, construction, or unexpected events. It communicates seamlessly with other vehicles, slows predictably in storms, and prioritizes protection above all else. This isn't experimental tech. It's built on Volvo's unshakable commitment to zero fatalities. For everyday Americans, the possibilities explode outward. Long road trips that once drained energy now restore it. Imagine departing New York at dusk, settling into work or relaxation as the city lights fade behind, then waking refreshed near the Mississippi or the Rockies. No jet lag, no sore back from economy seats. Business becomes mobile, emails answered, presentations polished, deals closed while the landscape changes. Families turn travel into bonding time, kids upstairs with entertainment zones, parents below sharing stories or quiet moments. No more racing to airports, enduring security, or squeezing into narrow rows. This rivals premium air travel comfort, but stays grounded, with a fraction of the environmental impact through clean electric drive. Even freight and logistics feel the ripple. Volvo's autonomous truck advancements already show the path, driverless semis hauling goods efficiently. Extend that luxury passenger focus and you get intercity shuttles or premium charters that make owning multiple cars less necessary, easing urban congestion and parking woes. Cities could evolve, too, with highways becoming corridors of seamless movement rather than bottlenecks. Challenges exist, no doubt. Massive vehicles need robust charging infrastructure scaled for high power draws. Regulations must catch up to allow widespread Level 5 operation, though progressive states lead the way. Initial costs might position it as a premium service, perhaps accessed via subscription models rather than outright purchase. Security against digital threats gets layered defenses and constant vigilance. Societal shifts could reshape jobs in driving sectors, prompting new opportunities in tech, maintenance, and experience design. Yet history shows Volvo tackles these head-on, always with safety as the North Star. Every glowing detail serves a purpose beyond beauty. Exterior lights don't just dazzle, they speak, guiding pedestrians, warning others, flashing patterns in emergencies. Inside, artificial intelligence tunes the environment to you personally, preferred temperature, music cue, even subtle aromas for calm. Materials lean sustainable, recycled composites, plant-based alternatives, solar accents feeding small systems. It's luxury that respects the planet, proving excess and responsibility can coexist. Envision the stories unfolding inside. A startup founder races towards a pivotal meeting in Las Vegas, refining pitches while mountains glide past. Retirees chase national park sunrises without exhaustion, capturing memories from every angle. A family fleeing northern winters rolls south in cozy comfort, board games upstairs, parents below sharing stories or quiet moments. Beyond leisure, think mobile clinics delivering care to remote areas, emergency response hubs stocked and ready, or corporate retreats on the move. Versatility turns this from a vehicle into a platform for life itself. Looking further ahead, bigger shifts emerge. Highways could transform into vibrant linear communities, time spent traveling becoming the most valuable part of the day. Volvo isn't merely innovating transport, they're reimagining freedom. Freedom from rigid schedules, from physical strain, from environmental guilt. In a country built on road trips and open horizons, this becomes the spiritual successor to icons like the interstate era or the classic American automobile, a step toward where mobility serves humanity instead of the other way around. Gazing at this image now, the excitement builds because it's tangible. The curves, the glow, the sheer scale, they hint at what's possible when bold vision meets proven engineering. It won't arrive overnight, but the momentum builds. Batteries dropping in price, autonomy trials expanding, infrastructure expanding coast to coast. This double-decker future isn't distant fantasy, it's the inevitable evolution of how we connect places and people. In the end,